Hey, Zach here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up page templates on your Shopify store. So you see we're on a collections page. So let's say, but all of these, like all products, that's a collection page, custom TCG cards, uh, retro video games. These are all based off the same collection page template. So if I wanted to just say for these Shopify products selection, if I wanted to have a special banner here with more information about Shopify, I wouldn't want that to go on all of my collection pages. So we go into the store, into the theme customizer, and customize here. So if I click up here, you can see these different the different sections for the templates you can make: products, collections, normal pages like that about us page, blogs, blog posts. This is where you make all these templates. So specifically for the collections page, if I click on here, you'll see I've already made it for the Shopify, but all the other collections that are on the same default collection. So if I click on here, we're on the default collection. If I put any extra section on here, like if I add a section like this, that's going to go across all, however many that was, 18 collections. Yeah, assigned to 18 collections. So if I were to put this here right now, it would go across all of the collections except for this one. So you can see I already set up a Shopify collection template. So if I change something on here, it's only going to be on this Shopify uh, template. So if we want to create a new one, you just click this create template, new collection template, choose which one you want to base it off of. I'm just going to base it off the default, create template. So now we have a new collection template. And we don't want this talk about your brand. I just put that on there, for example. And then you would save it. So let's just say my now we have these three here, but I actually don't want to use that one. Let's just pretend that this Shopify one was the new one. And I want to add a section. Uh, oh no, add it here under the template. Add a section, rich text, and I'm just going to say Shopify is the best platform for e-commerce. And I say it has the best SEO, performance, checkout, conversion rate, and app ecosystem with over 2,000 apps to add functionality to your store. And I'm going to get rid of that button. Okay, so I saved this. So we've just pretending that this is a new template page. Now, once you create this new template, you have to actually connect it to the page. So in this case, we were dealing with a collection page. So we have to find the collections, which is going to be under products, collections, and then you have to find the collection that you want to change, or maybe you're making a brand new collection. Um, Mine is the Shopify collection, and you can see theme template. You see it's already connected to Shopify. We've got that new collection template that I just made, and then the default that's connected to all the other 18 collections. So if you had just made a new template, you would select it from here to connect it to your collection, and then you would hit save up here, and it would be the same. If it was a product page, you just go to that product page, scroll down, theme template, select the product template. It would be the same for if it was a normal page, like about me page or whatever. You go to online store and pages, find the page you want. You see this is connected to default page. Connect it to whichever template you want it to be. Make a new template for it. Same thing for blogs. That'll be under content, blog posts. So yeah, I could click on this and there's the theme template again. Uh, I only have default blog post. I could go make a new template for blogs. Yeah, so that's how you create unique pages that don't affect all the other pages of that type. So now if we go back to my store and refresh this, you'll see that it has this new section that I added to it, and hopefully it won't be on any of the other collection pages that I have. Well, that thing was there that I added by accident. I shouldn't have saved that. You can see how that messes you up if you change the default product or the default collection. Now that's going to be there. So, wow, 7 live visitors. That's awesome. Let's go back and customize. Somehow that was saved. Go back to collections, default collections, and yeah, this thing is here that I was just using as an example. Save that. Refresh. And now it's not there on any of the other ones, but that other section that I added only to Shopify collection will be here. So yeah, that's it. That's how you set up templates for different pages. You've got, to recap, you've got collection page, product page, a normal page like the About Us page, and blog posts and blogs themselves if you want to have different types of blogs. But yeah, so if you have any questions, just let me know and I'll be here to help. All right, see you later.